Hey there, home cooks and foodies! Are you looking for a delicious, healthy, and incredibly simple meal that comes together in a flash? Today, we're making an amazing apricot glazed chicken breast that's perfect for any busy weeknight. This recipe is a game changer for meal planning. It's packed with flavor, lean protein, and will quickly become a family favorite. Get ready to elevate your dinner routine with minimal effort and maximum taste. Our secret weapon is this vibrant apricot glaze. You'll need apricot preserves, a touch of Dijon mustard for tang, a splash of soy sauce for umami, minced garlic, and a hint of apple cider vinegar. Whisk these ingredients together until smooth. This simple mixture transforms ordinary chicken into something extraordinary. It's sweet, savory, and perfectly balanced, creating a beautiful caramelization as it cooks. You'll love how easy it is to prepare. Start by seasoning your chicken breasts with salt and pepper. Sear them in a hot pan for a few minutes on each side until golden. This creates a fantastic crust and locks in the juices, ensuring tender results. Now, brush generously with our incredible apricot glaze. Continue cooking, flipping, and glazing until the chicken is cooked through and beautifully caramelized. The glaze will thicken and cling, creating a mouth-watering finish. Serve this succulent apricot glazed chicken with a side of fluffy rice and your favorite steamed vegetables. It's an impressive dish that's surprisingly easy to master, perfect for busy people who crave homemade goodness. You'll be amazed at the flavor you can achieve with such simple steps. Give this recipe a try tonight. Your taste buds will thank you. Enjoy every delicious bite.